On operators, Delo Brands back for another video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week. And I posted a video maybe about 5, 6 days ago that was talking about Chatterbox. All right. So Chatterbox is what I used before I found what I'm about to share with y'all today, because I have found the actual tool that is, well, let me correct that. One of you guys told me what the actual tool is that I should be using for these long form narrations or text to speech. So here's the problem. Um, Chatterbox is for voice cloning. So if I go to Chatterbox real quick, Chatterbox is for voice cloning, and it's not necessarily for long and drawn out, you know, threads of speaking, and for it to actually be cohesive. And what I found is that my outputs were actually it's actually crazy. The sound would sound like gibberish, or it would sound like a different language or something like that when it comes to these longer chunks that Chatterbox was trying to do. And right now I'm inside of my codecs, and these are my multiple projects that have my multiple um YouTube channels. And so right here I installed, let me see. Okay. So I installed Chatterbox, and let me see if it actually gave me a sample. Yeah. Okay. It gave me a sample, but this isn't gonna this isn't gonna show it. Okay. Let me go to one of my YouTube channels, because that is actually gonna show it. Let's go to at Black Signal Press, and we will go to this one. Check this out. You see that? So towards the end of that chunk, it's just complete gibberish. And that's not good for production. So we are now using a new tool called Supertonic. All right, Supertonic 3 to be exact, and it is absolutely a killer. I will put the GitHub in the link in the description, but like, this has absolutely changed the game for me. I will never use 11 Labs again unless I want like specific voices, and it's very cool how to do this. If you want to set this up, just tell your agent to set it up. But one thing that I did find in here is that you can actually create custom voices. So they're saying that this is in development, but there's actually a page where you can find custom voices. Let me see. Voice builder demo, voice builder, voice builder. Is it voice builder? So basically, okay, the voice builder. This right here is really crazy. So basically, you can create a voice that Supertonic will use, and all you'll have to do is, you know, put your stuff in, put your actual input in here. I gotta log in, but basically, they charge you about $50 just to, get this voice set. And after you pay that $50, which they show it right here. So it's $50. But think about it. If you want to clone your voice and you want to have a way that you can generate this locally, this is a great investment. $50 one time to be able to use your voice over and over again. And you can do this with tons of other voices. So you download your custom voice, and then you give it to your actual agent to use within Supertonic. But they have, I believe, 20 or 10 voices right now. So let's go back over here. So yeah, they got 10. So M1, M2, and they got different use cases. I use M2 for like my deep voice videos, and then they have like the M1, M3 that I use sometimes, and then they have female voices as well. So check this out. Supertonic is a lightning fast on-device text-to-speech system. Supertonic is a lightning fast on-device text-to-speech.
The lightning fast
Supertonic is a lightning fast on-device text-to-speech system. Supertonic is a
So you hear the different voices that it has, and I think that the default voices are actually pretty good. They do the job. You don't need a custom voice, but if you want it to be you, or if you want it to be, something that you've been using from 11 Labs, my deep voice that I was using inside of 11 Labs, I really want to clone that, but I'm not going to steal their stuff, so I'll just create a new one. But they have voices. They have an entire GitHub, so your agent will know exactly how to use this. And what I found is that, when my generations were, let me see if we go backlog right here. Let's go this one. So my backlog producer creates these voiceovers, and this is the result.
You do not rise to the life you want. You rise to the standard you stop negotiating with. That is the part most people avoid. One avoided standard into a giant transformation project. Standard does not need a clean loop.
So it's not like, okay, if 11 Labs is a 10 out of 10, then Supertonic is about a 7 or an 8. They have some emotion that you can put inside of here if you tell your agent to include stuff like that. They have it inside of the GitHub, I believe, but compared to Chatterbox, it's a night and day difference. Chatterbox is like a 4 if Supertonic is a 7. So it's much better. It's much faster. My computer does not get hot when I'm making generations and things of that nature. And I'm actually doing one right now that it's creating images and stuff like that right now. But this is a new channel that I'm doing, which I'll show you guys on stream. Once I get this up and running, I'll show you guys this on stream. But yeah, man, I just wanted to show you guys Supertonic 3. Check it out. Use it. It's great. Shout out to one of you guys that told me about this. You left a comment and it's phenomenal. Thank you so much. I literally I will literally send you money. Like, comment under this video, I'll send you $10 for telling me about this, because this is crazy. But it's great. I can't wait for Supertonic 4, and it's enabling me to let my codecs do everything. It creates images on its own, it creates audio on its own, it stitches the videos together on its own, and all of that is local. Okay, so that is what my operation looks like right now. So if you are looking for a text to speech tool that actually works, that you can get some decent sized chunks and it will actually be cohesive, it will be you'll have more confidence in the output, Supertonic is one thing that you should definitely try. So yeah, man, that's all I wanted to say in this video. Test it out, let me know. Join the AI2K AI Lab, $1 a month, and you get tons of access to resources, prompts, and things of that nature. But we'll be doing more videos on those actual resources, so you guys know what you're buying. But this has been D-Lo Brands. I appreciate you guys for stopping by, and keep learning AI. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.